How to withdraw USDT from Worldcoin to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it. First of all, after you open your phone, go and open up your Binance app. Now, after you open your Binance, go to Assets. After you come to Asset, go to Deposit. Now tap on this search and search for WLD. So here is it, Worldcoin. Select the Worldcoin. Now select the network, Worldcoin network, and tap on OK, and tap on this copy address. After you copy the address of the Worldcoin, now go back and open up the Worldcoin app. After you open the Worldcoin app like this, now tap on this wallet button. So from this option, now tap on this three dot, then go to withdraw. So from this option, all you have to do now, go and select Worldcoin. After you select Worldcoin, specify the amount of Worldcoin you want to withdraw. So after you specify the amount, just paste in the address that you copy. After you paste in the address that you copy, just the Worldcoin will be sent into your Binance account. So after you receive the Worldcoin in your Binance account, let me show you how to convert it to USDT. So after you receive the Worldcoin on your Binance account, just go to this asset to see the Worldcoin. Let's say if you come to this asset, let's say the amount of Worldcoin you receive, let's say it's this one. So now if you want to convert this Worldcoin to USDT, all you have to do now, go to this trade button. In the trade, go to convert. From this convert section, after you come to this convert section, now tap on this one and select Worldcoin. Let's say I will just tap on this option now and select, type in and search for Worldcoin in this option, WLD. So here is it now, select the Worldcoin like this. After you select the Worldcoin from this option now, in this option, the second option now, select USDT. Like this one. So after you select the USDT from this option now, here you'll be able to see the amount of the Worldcoin that you have. So all you have to do now, you can just specify the amount of Worldcoin you want to convert to USDT and tap on this preview button. After you tap on the preview button, it will give you another button which says convert. After you convert the Worldcoin to USDT, if you come to this asset button at the bottom, you'll be able to find the amount of USDT that you have after you converted it to after you convert the Worldcoin from to USDT. You'll be able to find the amount of USDT in this option. And that's it, guys, on how to send USDT from Worldcoin to Binance.